Imagine you're scrolling on your phone, sipping coffee, and suddenly NASA tweets, "Breaking, a black hole has appeared near Earth." Excuse me? So, what if black holes just started popping up around our planet? First, let's get something straight. A black hole is basically gravity gone bananas. It's a place where matter is crushed so tightly that nothing, not even light, can escape. Think of it like a cosmic trapdoor. Once you fall in, there's no coming back. But don't panic yet. Black holes come in different sizes. The giant ones in the centers of galaxies can be billions of times heavier than our sun. But the ones randomly appearing near Earth in this scenario? Let's imagine they're micro black holes. Tiny, but still terrifying. Okay, so what happens if one just shows up outside our atmosphere? Step 1, gravity gets weird. Even a black hole, with the mass of, say, Mount Everest, would be smaller than a proton, but its pull would be deadly. Satellites might suddenly change orbit. The moon could wobble. Your GPS? Useless. Imagine your Uber driver ending up in the ocean because the satellite signals bent toward a black hole. Step 2, atmospheric chaos. If the black hole's close enough, air molecules start spiraling toward it. We wouldn't instantly get sucked in, but Earth's weather could flip out. Hurricanes on shuffle mode, jet streams going nope and flowing backward. Basically, goodbye predictable seasons. Step 3, daily life turns into a sci-fi horror movie. Nights could get darker because starlight bends the wrong way. Or stranger, you might look up and see 2 moons instead of 1, thanks to gravitational lensing. It's like the universe suddenly installed a funhouse mirror over our planet. But let's crank it up. What if multiple black holes started appearing? Like one over the Pacific, another near Europe, a couple chilling over Antarctica. This is where it gets messy. Black holes don't just hang out politely. They'd orbit, tug, and eventually crash into each other. When that happens, they release insane amounts of energy. Gravitational waves that stretch and squeeze space itself. You wouldn't notice it with your eyes, but every measuring tool on Earth would start freaking out like it just drank 10 espressos. And here's the climax. Earth itself wouldn't last. Even small black holes, given time, would munch on our planet like popcorn. The crust, the oceans, even the core, bit by bit, gone. Eventually, Earth would shrink into a glowing donut of debris, swirling around a cluster of black holes. Picture Saturn's rings, but instead of ice and dust, it's us. But wait, there's a tiny twist. According to a theory by Stephen Hawking, small black holes might not stick around forever. They could evaporate, releasing bursts of radiation in their final moments. So instead of Earth slowly disappearing, we might just get random, planet-shaking explosions every time one of these things dies. Basically fireworks from hell. So what's the takeaway? If black holes started appearing around our planet, best case, chaos in the skies, messed up weather, and very confused Uber drivers. Worst case, Earth becomes cosmic Swiss cheese, and then, well, space dust. It's kind of comforting that in real life, the odds of this happening are basically 0. Black holes don't just pop up like mushrooms after rain, but it's fun and a little terrifying to imagine what would happen if they did. So would you rather live on a planet slowly eaten by black holes, or one where they explode randomly like interstellar fireworks? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed falling into this cosmic rabbit hole with me, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and stick around. We've got a universe of weird what-ifs to explore.